it's me, Sarah Sargent. I'm back today with another vehicle, but I gotta let you guys know right off the bat that I completely messed up the audio on this video. So today, unfortunately, is gonna be a voiceover, and I don't usually do voiceovers, so this is definitely trial and error. So please bear with me while I'm doing this. So today we are going to be checking out Fenty's eyeshadow palettes, the number 7 palette, and the number 3 palette. And I really love these. These have been really great to travel with. I've already used these several times, and I'm really in love with them. So I'm going to go ahead and create this mustard and blue eye look that I was wearing a lot on this most recent tour that I was on. So if you guys want to figure out how I did this look, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so I am using the Fenty number 3 palette, and I'm just going into this light brown taupey color, and I'm just going to be putting that into my crease. And I have discovered a new way of doing this where I just go right above my socket line. This is a really good trick for anyone that has hooded eyelids. I've just kind of noticed this trick of being able to set it right above my crease line and then wing it out. It'll just make your eyes look a little bit bigger and elongated. So I'm going to go ahead and speed this section up for you guys, and I'll be right back. Okay, next I'm going to go into the number 7 palette, and I am going to use the mustard shade in this palette. And I'm just going to be using my fluffy brush to pat this onto my eyelids. I'm going to be dragging this up into my crease and blending out that tan color that we put down before. This is a really nice, easy color to use. It's a nice neutral mustard color, and I really like it. Alright, next I am going to be using this olive moss green shade in the number 7 palette, and I'm going in with my denser, smaller fluffy brush, and I'm going to be pressing this into my outer crease, like in the V area of my eye. I'm just going to press that in and then blend it out just to add a little bit more definition to this area. Now I'm going to be going back into the number 3 palette and going back into that neutral brown taupey shade, and I'm going to use my pencil brush and just run this underneath my lower lash line, just along the whole lash line area, and I'm going to blend this out a little bit. Now going back into the number 7 palette, back into that mustard shade, I am just going to diffuse out that neutral brown color that we put down using the mustard shade just to blend everything together. I'm also wrapping that up into the outer inner crease just to meld this whole look together. So next up, we're going to be doing my favorite part of this look, which is adding the pop of blue to the inner corners. And I'm going to be using Colourpop's baseline to do that. It's this really beautiful iridescent sky blue color. And I'm going to be using my domed, like stiffer brush just to press this in to my inner corners. And I'm also going to put this on like the inner third half of my eyelid and drag it down to my lower lash line too. So this color is going to kind of like wrap around my eye. I think the bigger the better when it comes to this blue color. Now I'm just going in with my finger and that baseline color again, just to darken this color up a little bit and make it a little bit more bright and vibrant. I think it helps sometimes with shimmery shades just to press them in with your finger. Just brings them to life a little bit more. Okay, next up I'm going to do some winged liner, and I'm using Urban Decay's 24/7 eye pencil in the color LSD. This is a navy blue color with some lighter blue micro glitter in it. I really love this shade. And I recently discovered this new way of doing my winged eyeliner where I only put it on the outer half of my eye. I find that it just draws my eye shape upwards a little bit more, and it doesn't color in the second half of my eyelid and close my eyelid space off. I hope that that makes sense, but it's a really good technique. All right, next I am just going to apply a couple coats of the Milk mascara. This is really great mascara for thickening your eyelashes. It has little tiny fibers in it, so it's really good if you're not going to wear false lashes, which I'm definitely not going to put on false lashes today. Next, I'm going to be using Fenty's Kilowatt highlighter in the colors Lightning Dust and Fire Crystal. These are really neutral highlighter colors. They're really close to my own skin color, so these are some of my favorites. If you're not looking for like a colorful, super glittery highlight, I really love the way that this one looks. A little highlighting trick that I like to do is if I bring my highlight too far down on my cheek, I don't really like the way that that looks. I kind of like to keep it in the high plane of my cheek, so I'll just take my powder brush and kind of blend in the bottom, and it just kind of erases a little bit of that highlight just to keep it on the high points. Last up, I am going to use my very favorite liquid lipstick. This color is so amazing. It's by Fenty. It's called Uncuffed, and it's just the perfect nude lip color for me. It's a couple shades darker than my natural lip color, and it's also really great too for overlining your lips. I find that I can really like go crazy and overline my lips with this color, and it doesn't end up looking like I've overlined them. I just look like I have really huge lips, which I love. So this lipstick goes everywhere with me. I wear it probably more often than any other color. I love it so much. Okay guys, I think that's going to do it for this makeup look today. I'm really sorry that I flubbed the audio on this video and had to do a voiceover, but if you guys stuck with me this whole time, thank you so much. If you have any questions, please feel free to pop those down below. Don't forget to subscribe. You can also follow me over on Instagram at Sargent if you just want to see more of my everyday life. And I hope that everyone has a really great day. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!